Yeah, so this is my 2020 KTM 300 XCW. I got it because it doesn't have a linkage. It's got the fatty front tire and a moose, high pressure moose. It's got the all these things. Bent the bars, so I got those. It's got that. It's got this kind of skid plate that protects the pipe. It's the stock pipe. That's the high pressure head. That's some stuff that I put on it to keep it safe. That it's got a M5B bald tire, perfect for hard terrain, like where I'm out riding today. It's got the gold chain, Renthal, all that stuff, more of that stuff, a bunch of scratches, ripped grips. It's got leaky Boinger. I've got to fix that. So yeah. Well, yeah, it's also got the Get ECU, because I guess I needed more power, but it's real smooth. It's like stock, just better. So this is my bike. Anyways, I'm about to go ride it some more later.